In the galaxy of Brahmana, the Hindus possessed a powerful Vedic weapon, the Brahmastra, which maintained cosmic balance and harmony. But the demons of the underworld, Narak, sought to steal it and exploit its power for their evil purposes. Led by the demon king, Ravana, they launched a surprise attack on the Hindu planet, Aryavarta. The Hindus, caught off guard, rallied under the leadership of Prince Rama, a skilled warrior and devotee of Lord Vishnu. With the blessings of the gods and the power of their faith, they prepared to face the demon army and protect the Brahmastra at all costs. The war between the Hindus and demons raged across the galaxy, with both sides deploying their advanced spacecraft and weapons. The demons, with their dark magic and technology, seemed to gain the upper hand, but the Hindus refused to yield. Prince Rama, with his skilled warriors and guided by the wisdom of the Vedas, launched a series of daring counterattacks that slowly turned the tide of the battle. As the war reached its climax, Prince Rama faced off against Ravana in a final, decisive duel. With the power of the Brahmastra coursing through his veins, he unleashed a blast of energy that shattered Ravana's defenses and sent the demon king crashing to the ground. The demon army, leaderless and demoralized, retreated in disarray. The Hindus had emerged victorious, protecting the Brahmastra and preserving the balance of the galaxy. Prince Rama and his warriors were hailed as heroes, their names etched in the annals of Hindu history. The Brahmastra, its power now amplified by the faith and courage of the Hindus, continued to watch over the galaxy, a symbol of the eternal triumph of good over evil. The victory to Lord Vishnu, the preserver, Lord Shiva, the destroyer, and Lord Brahma, the creator. May their divine energies continue to guide and protect the galaxy, and may the eternal wisdom of Hinduism forever shine bright, illuminating the path to righteousness and cosmic harmony.